Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the live trading session of Heikin Ashi Trading Room. Today is March 5th and the time is 2 p.m. Bangladesh time. Let's get started with today's trade. Alright, I have found my trade setup. Today I will be trading in a long position. I will wait for my selected position to get confirmed. Yes, I got it. Now I will set my take profit target. Okay, now let's wait. Oh my god, nice movement, nice movement. According to my analysis, the market is showing a strong move today. So I am removing my previous profit target and I will try to read the market movement. Viewers, if the market remains in a good mood, I will fix my next target accordingly. However, if the market becomes uncertain, I will manually close my trade. And no doubt the market is currently in a strong uptrend. So I am setting my take profit level here. Very close to my profit target, very close to my profit target. Let's see what happened. Oh, the market is retesting. So I need to wait a little longer. Since the bigger time frame still indicates a strong uptrend, I won't get confused by one or two red candles. Remember one thing, that the market always tries to confuse traders. But I will hold my position. I am not gonna confuse. and I got my target. Nice. That was a great trade it was. Oh my god. Viewers, as you know, my account balance yesterday was 1754.37 BDT, and after the single trade my total balance is now 2099.31 BDT. That means I made a profit of 344.94 in just one trade. That's a 19.66% increase in a single day. Oh my god, it was huge. Wow, great. Since I started with a very small balance, my daily target is based on percentage gains, and with this single trade I have already made enough profit for the next few days. At least for today it must. So I won't be taking any more trades. Remember, controlling emotions and greed is the biggest challenge in trading, and I am determined to do that. Very strictly I follow this rule. And one more thing, if you watched my first video, you know that I started trading on March 3rd with just 1300 BDT. Today is March 5th, and within these 3 days I have made a 61.48% profit on my initial capital. It's just insane. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching my trading video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I upload new content. Once again, thank you all for being with me. Stay well, take care, and bye-bye.